So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Johnny, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future car videos or unboxing videos that we have coming up. So today with me I have a 2016 Range Rover HSE that, you know, it has the 3-liter V6 engine supercharged that puts out 380 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, or 4x4, you know, the system that Land Rover has, which is one of the best all-wheel or all-terrain systems, you know, out there. This is my first Range Rover, you know, that I have my hands on, and you know, it's going to be a first, you know, an experience that I'm going to share with you guys. So as you can see, all of it is, you know, it's pretty much blacked out. You know, you got the black wheels except for the chrome pieces here on the side. It does look great. You know, when I stepped in the interior, it does feel like a luxury vehicle as it is, you know, for the price you're paying. The design, the slick design, you know, it is something, you know, to get, you know, you get noticed out there driving this. You know, you have the chrome as well on the side here by the doors. And one of the cool things about the back, the tailgate, it's that, you know, it is fully automatic, as you would expect for a luxury SUV. You can see it's like a 2-tier tailgate. See, the top opens, and then if you want to get to the bottom, you just, you know, push the button and it folds down. Pretty much, it's you can sit on this, and it's, you know, you can just chill back here with friends, or, you know, if you go on a picnic with your girlfriend or so. So you got all the floor mats right there. You got your cover for your cargo. If you want to close it, all you have to do is just push the button one more time and it'll go up. And once again up here, and it all comes down automatically. You have your parking sensors right there, and it's dual exhaust. You got one tip on each end. Wheel size, they are 20-inch wheels. You know, you got wrapped around Eagle F1 all-terrain tires. All right, now let's step in the interior and I'm gonna show you around, you know, what is a luxury SUV.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and ride on time.
Starting here at the door, you can see it's all leather wrap. You have your window controllers and your mirror controllers up there. You have your Meridian sound, wood trim, and some storage right there where you can hide or pretty much store anything. And also you have another one right down below. You got your door handle right here, and your memory seating for up to 3 people. Coming along on the steering wheel, it is leather wrapped with wood in the bottom and also the top. It is heated. You have your buttons right there to be able to control some of the information up there, and also your volume controllers and track. Here you have your cruise control. Behind you have your levers for your turning signals and your lights, and on the other side you have your wiper controllers. In the front you have that LED screen that you would expect it, you know, to be able to do more stuff with it, you know, such as customize your speedo, you know, stuff like that, to change. But it actually stays still. The tachometer and the speedo, they don't move or anything. It's just that center screen that moves as you change, you know, your different terrain modes. Moving on to the center, you have your push to start button over there. It does feel a little cheap, a little plasticky, you see right there. Not something you would expect in a luxury SUV for this price. You have the same infotainment system that you have on your Jaguars. You know, it's not as responsive as you would expect. See, I'm touching it, I'm just tapping it. You have to actually put some, you know, force into it to be able to access it. See, got your parking sensors, camera. You can change the different modes by just hitting it again. You got your audio modes, your audios, your phone, and your navigation. And below you have your climate control. Just turn it on, you just move the center dial. Here you can change the temperature for the passenger and the driver. Oh, the driver and the passenger, sorry. Below you have your drive select. You know, it is an 8-speed automatic. You have your parking, reverse, neutral, drive, and sport. It does feel, you see this, it kind of rattles, so I'm guessing, you know, if you were to drive on like a little rough roads, you know, this will rattle and will feel cheap, as you can see. Below, you have your different driving modes. You can actually, you know, raise and lower the SUV. Get your traction control, your auto start stop, and your parking brake. You have your 2 cup holders, and you also have a cigarette lighter, but this is not the only one. This SUV actually has 2 here up in the front. Here's the second one. You have your USB auxiliary and another USB right there for your phone and tablet. And you have a pretty nice sized center console to store stuff. You know, speaking about storage, you have that the hidden one on the door, one below it as well. But also here you have, it's a 2-tier glove box. You have the top, push the button. You have the bottom. And one cool feature or accessory that I found in here is this Land Rover luxury leather cleaner, owner's manual. Before we go to the back, I'm gonna talk to you about the panoramic sunroof that this SUV has, same as on the F-Pace, the Jaguar that I reviewed. And let's open it up. So that's as far as it goes. Now let's close it and let's bring the shade. So you can see birds pooped on it already. You can still see it. On the back you have the same materials for the door, but on this one you don't have that secret compartment to store stuff, but you do have one back here for a cup holder. In the back you have the climate control and also 2 more cigarette lighters. So Range Rover did focus on, you know, on people that smoke. There's a little cubby in there, you can store stuff. Heated seats back there for both sides. You can bring down the armrest. You got 2 cup holders and a little secret storage here in the center. You are pretty comfortable back here. You know, the leather, you know, feels great. Quick to get used to. Visibility back here, you can't quite see, you know, if you were sitting right behind the driver, you can't quite see ahead of him because, you know, the seat design is pretty big. I also have a huge pillar right here in front of you between the driver and the, you know, the person sitting behind. And also, you know, if you were to look back or want to look back, it's easier to spot a car on your side. But if you wanted to spot a car on the other side, you know, let's say on the passenger side, you know, the headrest from the back seats cover you up, and then both pillars, they are pretty much a blind spot for somebody here. From the driver's side, you can quite see a bit more than you would if you were sitting back here. Just one thing I do want to point out, and, you know, I'm not a huge fan of, you know, white or, you know, creamy interiors is what I would call this leather. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad, especially with the wooden trims that this SUV has. You know, it does make it look good. It's an attractive interior. You know, the design is pretty simple, but it gets the job done. It looks great. The wood, the leather, and the aluminum pieces that it has. Nonetheless, this does have a way better interior than on the Jaguar. You know, this doesn't feel cheap like it did on the Jaguar F-Pace. You know, this one feels, you know, high quality materials, as you know, you would expect. I am going to finish the video back here, guys, because I'm really comfortable back here. I love this SUV. It's really comfortable. Leather, like I said, it feels great. You know, this is the type of vehicle that you would buy and have somebody drive you around, because, you know, you are, you know, riding in luxury back here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So just a reminder, the month is coming to an end, and I will be doing another giveaway at the end of the month for stuff that we got, you know, for the unboxing videos and all that. We just have a couple of items to give away this month. We didn't receive as many as I was expecting, but nonetheless, we'll have something to give away. If you're new to the channel and you want to get some free stuff, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos coming up. Mondays, I do unboxing videos. Wednesday, we do car reviews. And on Saturday, I do product reviews if I have anything to, you know, review. Thank you, guys. I will see y'all in the next video. Take care and God bless y'all.